All right. Good day, everyone. My name is Muhammad Umar Yusuf, and I'm the CEO of Muftaguru. In our today training, I'll be teaching you guys on how to set up your iOS in order to conduct survey. For those that have iPhone that want to start survey, you need to configure your iOS in order to join others that they are doing surveys. Before then, these are the browser that you need. You need Brave browser. Please take notes. You need Brave browser, and you also need processor. You need processor to set up your proxy. So I think these are the two apps that you need. Along like that, from there we'll still have other way we can set up our IP address. But these are the two ways I'm going to do course on. So, and in our last training, we're able to discuss on how to set up your iPhone, and the video was actual. Let me just say 70% successful. So I'm starting from settings. First, you need to go to settings and change your time zone. Put your time zone to US. Make sure you're in US region. Then you go to your location. Search for service location. Go to your location and turn off your location. Make sure your location is turned off. Turn it off. Then you go back. So the next thing is for you to set up your proxy. How are you going to set up your proxy? Then you need to get your IP address. Although I've already got my IP address, let me just search for the proxy. Let me search for my proxy. Oh my god, what's this? Okay, I have my proxy I want to use. Okay, there's the proxy I want to use. Okay, I have to just search the proxy. Then I go to my processor. This is my processor. So let me delete this. So this is where you add your proxy. Add manual input. Add manual input. Yeah, this type. Make sure you know the kind of IP you are using. Is it HTTP or SOC? So inputting the proxy. If you don't have proxy, you can DM me to get your proxy. So you save it. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this play sign. There's a play sign blue down. Just click on it. Alright, so now you have already clicked on it. So the next thing is for you to go and conduct your in-depth analysis. Okay, so let me just conduct the in-depth analysis using wool.net to confirm if the proxy is working. Okay, let's see. Alright, so you can see our proxy is working. Wow. So the proxy is working. You are good to go. Don't forget the browsers, recommended browsers for iPhone. I've already listed the recommended browser, but I see here's one of the recommended browser. And I'm going to post some browsers again maybe later. So this is the Brave browser you're going to use to start your surveys, like Androids are doing as well. So you also use the same process to start yours with your Brave browser. As long as your connect your processor is on, you see the blue sign has turned to red and the IP proxy is working. You can go to your Brave browser, also search wool.net to confirm. Wow, you can see everything is working fine. So let's see. Okay, you can see 100%. Make sure it's 100%. 100% scores before you can start your 5 survey, cash, prime opinion, top surveys, and stars, and so on and so forth survey. So this is how you start it. Understand? So with this, you're good to go. You just go and create your SSN and start your survey. Start registering your survey. You won't find any survey difficult with this again. You just go and start doing your online registration of survey. But make sure before then you have done your SSN. You have your SSN done. You can check SSN of previous videos. You have created SSN for previous video, so you can start your work instant. So that's how we do it. Not something that is difficult. It's not something that is hard. So this is it. Alright, if you are new to my channel, please kindly like, comment and subscribe, and also you can share to your friends. Thanks once again, and I remain the Guru. Have a nice day.